Alright people, here's an update for the GS plan, a new GS plan here. Before I talk about this update, I want to show you the plan that I posted on April 15th on PowerTriggerTrade, and I want you to see this so that you can take a look at this. I want you to just let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright people, so here we are on PowerTriggerTrade. You can see here I posted the GS NVDA are bearish setups. However, GS needs to keep showing strong weakness, and NVDA I like better. Well, out of these two plans, the one that triggered was GS, and it happened to trigger very strongly today, even below my numbers. You should take a look at this video and take a look at the options. But I actually had to go in with farther out options. I decided to go with the April 15, April 21, 215. 215 puts, and they did very well, about 200% gains at one point today. Of course, you wouldn't be holding the whole thing, but anyways, let's get back to the new plan, people. And remember, this video is just going to pop up at the end of this video for you to see. Okay, people, so here we are back at the plan. Let's talk about this new plan here. GS is set up to test 205 to 200 now, based on today's action, in my opinion. The move has just started. This stock favors lower prices in a big way. There's too many negatives on the chart, and so what you want to always focus on is on the ones that are strongly in favor. Of course, remember one thing: no matter how bearish or bullish I am, confirmation is key. Confirmation is key. So at this time, I decided to use the May 19 210 puts. Could be used for the next plan. I want more time on the options. I think they'll make more gains this way. GS needs to break below 214 on some good action volume. And good action volume is 700K on a 10-minute chart. Now, I'm going to be explaining some facts inside the video. That in the boxes are just showing you key numbers. Now, if we don't get strong volume below 214, we're going to watch for basically below 214 and look for power through 213. I just think that there's a good chance they're going to need to pause this stock a little bit. But again, you know what? The market's the market, and this could just keep falling. So we need a strong action plan, and this is what we're going to do for tomorrow in case we can confirm. Or we might need to wait. This plan might be solid. So even if we get a bit of a bounce tomorrow, and I say we might, right? This is why you need a plan, people. So if the volume isn't there, I would look for basing below, because 700K really is in this case is the kind of volume I want to see on follow through dropping. Now the volume may not come in, and then we need to see that basing below 214 and power through 213 to even more. We need to see some power and action. Again, this could want to relax tomorrow, but we'll see. Let's go take a look at the options together, people, now on Yahoo Finance. All right, people, here we are at Yahoo Finance, and Goldman Sachs closed at 215.59, down 10. It held all its gains. Like, this was a no way of losing money trade. There was no way if you took the trade. I mean, I post plans that are powerful, people, when they confirm. I mean, it's just a fact of the matter. And there's going to be a lot more, so don't you worry. Because I've been always focusing more on the bullish thing, but I've got my system in check for both sides. Up or down. PowerTriggerTrade, people. All right. May 19th. Let's take a look at these together, people. The May 19th puts. So May 19th, 210 puts. A lot of trading in here. You can see that. And I saw that myself. There was very low open interest. There's a lot. Even the two. Look at. There's 2 points I want to make here. There's the 210s and the 205s. Okay. You could use the 205s too. Okay, because there was a lot of trading in the 205s, and the reason why I talk about this is because sometimes we have to go even with other options. But honestly, the 205s can make a lot of money as well. So keep in mind, and the reason why is, look at this. There was a lot of trading happening with these 210s, and the spread seems to be better with the 205s. I didn't realize that, but we're seeing that now. I was looking at the 210s. Now these are more expensive, okay? So you want to keep in mind that you can make money on either one of these, because if Goldman Sachs goes into the money, these will be doubling easy, Okay, there's less risk. Okay, they won't make as much money as the 210s, but there's two ways to trade this: 205s or 210s. I want you to keep this in mind. Okay, Goldman Sachs favors lower prices, but confirmation is key. All right, people, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest you subscribe. You know, my videos are powerful. You need to, I say, study the videos. I keep telling people this: confirmation is key. You're going to see a lot of great winning trades. The key is to wait for confirmation, people. You know what? Patience is very important, and it pays a lot. You know, sometimes you're not doing any trades. Nothing wants to confirm. When it wants to confirm, you want to be ready, mentally prepared, ready. Everything I post, you know, last Apple trade didn't do so well. It did make a, but it was a chop gain. Okay, it wasn't set up like a Goldman Sachs or a Tesla. Okay, there's a difference, and I warned about that, and I actually held that one too long. But you know, the system is the key, following the rules. Okay, but anyways, I want to talk about the Apple trade. I want to talk about, again, the positivity of confirmation. Okay, and this is why you see this in my banner, people. Okay, so to see the center power trigger trade, don't forget to subscribe to this. I suggest you study my videos. If you want to learn the truth, you've got to listen to what I'm saying in the videos. You've got to listen and learn. So don't forget to subscribe, Center Power Trigger Trade. Thanks for listening. Like the video.